What is going on, everybody? It's your man Josh coming to you with another What So video. But this is going to be a little different because I'm going to walk you along with me as we go through the new inventory system I have set up, and I'm going to show you how I pull those items as I find them. So it was a pretty good day. Did over day and a half, I should say. Did over $600 in sales in just a day and a half, and I'm fixing to show you what items I sold over that day and a half. Some items you saw me pick up as I was sourcing, if you've been watching my other sourcing videos, and some items you haven't seen me get because I had just gotten them and I didn't even film. So I'm gonna hop in and click over and let you see that video. But before I do, I got another little video for you. I did pick up me an item that I'm so excited about having, that I can use to make my shipping a lot easier for eBay. It's an item that I've been wanting to get for a while, and I'm glad I finally broke down and got it. So before we get to the what sold items, I'm gonna throw that in here real quick. It's a short little video, and I hope that you like it. So I'll catch y'all back whenever it's done. So I finally broke down and I bought me something, y'all. Let me show you what it is. Check it out. Josh has got him a Rollo thermal printer. So I am super stoked about this. I have been doing it the old way of just printer, ink cartridges and labels that way. And I'm totally stoked. I got my labels came in too as well. They're in the box right here. So I got everything here, and I'm fixing to spend the next few minutes, of course off camera because I don't know what I'm doing, installing this thing, getting it hooked up and rock and rolling. And as soon as I get it where I think I've got it functioning properly, I will print a label and I will show you how it prints and give you my 2 cents on it. I did my research before I bought the Rollo. I watched a lot of YouTube videos and read a lot of articles online and just had to make a determination, and I decided to go with Rollo. After all the stuff that I have watched and seen, I thought that might probably work out best for me, and I heard they have pretty good customer service, which is also a great thing. So for all of us that resell, we know how important customer service is. So there we go. On a quick note though, before I hop off of here, I want to give you a tip on something that you should not do, in my opinion. Of course, this is my opinion. When you're selling and shipping items to eBay, this right here, and I'll tell you how much I paid for it. I gave $200 for the Rollo. It's supposed to be brand new. I've opened the box since I've gotten it and looked, and it looks like it is brand new. Everything looks like it's been in there. And hey, it could have been some other flipper that found it cheap. But the problem I have with it, I'll just kind of show it real quick, is that it has the label on it. As y'all can tell, it's an expensive item. All they did was put some tape on it, slap the label on it, and throw it in the mail. Now, luckily I live here in rural Tennessee, and where I live, my mail gets delivered to my house. It's in the middle of nowhere, so I don't have to worry about nobody coming up on my porch and stealing my item. If they do, they know they're gonna be in trouble because they know who I am. But anyway, this right here, if it would have went anywhere else, it says what it is on it. People can easily see it, pick it up, and flip it for themselves. So then your item will get stolen off your porch. Also, it needs to be better protected. I mean, it has the packing material on the inside, but if it was me, this thing would have got boxed in a different box with a little bit more packaging or packing material. Then I would have sent it out. So do not do that, y'all. Please, do not. Just take the time, put another box. I ain't even paid the shipping on it. So I mean, what's the person out? I'm paying for the shipping. So again, that's just my tip for you for today. I'm gonna install this. I'm gonna check it out, and as soon as I get it running, I'm gonna holler at you and I'm gonna show you how it works. So stand by. All right, y'all. I just got finished installing the Rollo, and it took a total of maybe 10 minutes tops, if that. And I got to print off a sample label, and I'm fixing to show you how easy it is to print off a label. This is amazing. It's super fast. I can't believe how fast this is. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. I'm gonna show you. But so far, I like it. It's worth the money. All right, so here we are. We're at my computer where I print all my labels off. As you can already tell, I have done a sample label, but I'm just going to show y'all how quick this thing does. So it comes with a sample label that you can print off. And so I'm going to come over here and we're going to hit print. Just watch this thing. Look, I'm not even going to show it on the camera on the computer because it happens fast. Okay, I'm hitting print. Watch this. Ooh. Dude. Look how fast that was. I mean, it's perfectly printed out. Man. So, I mean, tell me that ain't awesome. That is super fast, super quick. So, luckily I sold some items, so I get to use this thing here in a few minutes. But, and also make a what sold video. But I just wanted to show y'all that. That's what I got myself. And kind of give you a tip on how not to ship something out. Luckily, everything works fine. It arrives safe and sound. And I'm happy with it. So again, it costs some money, but it's an investment. And if you plan on doing this and really being after it, I highly recommend you look into getting some type of thermal printer. It doesn't have to be a Rollo. Zebra makes one, Dymo makes one, and they're out there and they're affordable. So again, look into that option so you ain't have to go out and keep buying toner or ink and the big labels. This thing never uses ink or toner. As long as I got paper or the labels, it'll print them off. So I hope this little quick video was informal. All right, so what y'all think about that? What do you think about that item I picked up? That is an awesome item. I am so thankful to have the Rollo printer. And yes, it has made my life easier since buying it. I have played with it and printed out some labels, and it shoots them out pretty quick, as you can see. So now that I sit here and I've kind of made y'all wait, we're going to hop into the items that I sold. So here we go. All right, y'all. So the first item we sold is going to be down here in CB8. And it is going to be, maybe someone step out the way, this item right here. This Nylent truck. Picked this up at a Goodwill, and I think I only had like $2 into it, but I sold it for $20 plus $10 shipping. So if you're out there and you see something like this, don't be afraid to pick it up. Alright, y'all, so the next item we have is coming from CB5, and it is going to be this right here. This is a harness, a 5-point harness that I picked up at a yard sale, and I gave a total of a big whopping $1 for it, but it's hard to see right now because it's all jumbled up. But this item right here sold for $15. So it's my second harness I've ever sold, so if you see another harness, pick them up. Alright, so the next item is going to be these right here. These are WeatherTech floor mats. I picked these up at a local yard sale. I gave $10 for them, and I sold them for $50 with $20 shipping. Alright, so the next item is going to come from CB12. And it is these right here. These are Nespresso brand Starbucks coffee pods. Anyway, got these at the Give Me a 5 for $5, and I just sold them for $25, including shipping. Next item we have CB11, and it's right here, and they're AirPods. These are the AirPods that my daughter and I picked up when we went yard selling a few weeks back. So sold these for $65. I only have 15 in them. Next item's coming out of CB13, and it's these right here. It is a Thunderbolt cable, 2 meter, and I got these at Give Me a 5 for $5, and I sold them for $22.50. Going to CB6 for the next two items, which are the same item but different buyers bought them. They're down here. We're going to dig these things. They are, I'll show you just a second, peeling out. They are Luke Skywalker and Yoda from the Star Wars Black Series. Got these from a local guy for $5, and I believe they sold for $26.50. I think that's what it is. We're going off memory, but if not, if I'm wrong, it's on the screen. Alright, so we're coming here to the CB14. I haven't put on the shelf yet, but we've already sold stuff out of it, and it's going to be these right here. These are GFIs, 5-pack of 4, I believe. Yes. Anyway, got these at $1 a day. Give Me a 5. Sold them for $22.50. Moving on to CB3, We are looking for a vintage calculator, which here it is. This thing right here is a little vintage HP calculator. Got this at Goodwill, paid $1.99 for it, and we sold it for $20. Okay, the next item is right here. It is a travel set of perfect push-ups. My wife actually picked these up from Goodwill for me, and I think she gave $4.99 for it, sold for $46. So if you're out there and you see these, don't be afraid to pick them up. They're well worth the money. Alright, for those y'all that watched my video for me sourcing this weekend, y'all saw me pick these up, and we ended up selling one of these tech mats right here. It was the model 1911 version. We paid $5, we sold it for $15. Alright, walking back over to CB14. We just need to go ahead and grab CB14, put it back on the shelf. Over here, we did sell some items out of CB14. We sold this right here, this DeWalt, bunch of screwdriver, 12 volts. We sold this for $52. We also, out of CB14, sold both of these Whirlpool Everdrop water filters, number 3, and sold these for $30 a piece. Got these at Give Me a 5 in a bag for $5. Only have $2.50 in each one. Again, this is a awesome product. If you come across it cheap, pick these up and list these. Coming out of CB3 is this 46-ounce Starbucks mug. I got this at a yard sale about a month ago. Anyway, it sat on eBay for a while with no takers. I ended the listing today, relisted it within an hour. I had sold it for $24 with $10 shipping, so $34 total in all in this big mug. Alright, going to CB13. Picked up an item and I really thought it would take a lot longer to sell, but it sold a lot faster than I thought. And that is this Larson brand quick fit door handle set, and I think we got $36 for it. And I picked this up this past weekend at Give Me a 5, so $5 is all I have in this item. Alright, so my next item is coming out of here. I always like to vacuum seal my shirts and clothing or any blankets or anything that I have listed. It just helps protect them. But I am going to pull this one right here. This is a Harley Davidson sweatshirt. Got this at a yard sale. My wife actually found it the day we were yard selling. But anyway, I sold it for $29. Alright everybody, that's it. That's all the items that I've got going out. That's all the items that I've sold. I hope that y'all are all able to find an item or two that you might be able to look for in your area. And I hope that you find them. I hope that you're able to go find that item. I hope that you're ready, that you can go flip it and make you a profit. Also, tell me in the comments what you think about my inventory system. Do you think it's pretty easy? I love it. It's been working great for me. And I think everybody should have some type of inventory system. If you're an eBay seller, it doesn't matter if you only have 20 items or if you have 200 items. I think that you need some type of inventory system. So keep that in the back of your mind as you're setting up your eBay store in your warehouse or your shed, wherever you store your items for eBay. Again, thank y'all for taking time to watch my channel. Thank you for checking out these What Sold videos. I'm going to keep throwing new things in and out with them. And I got a new series that I'm working on. I'm just going to let y'all know. So be on the lookout for it. I think I'm going to probably start filming for it this coming weekend. And when I do, it's going to be pretty good. That's all I can say. I think y'all really going to enjoy it. Again, thank y'all. And before I hop off of here, I just want to say, if you like this content, give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Hit that little bell notification down there so that you know that when I'm going live or if I drop a video, you know about it. Again, thank y'all for taking time to watch these videos. Thank you to all my subscribers. And before I hop off of here, got one more thing to tell you. If you see a veteran while you're outsourcing, tell him or her thank you, because they are true heroes of this country. Again, I think he goes a long way with them. They definitely deserve a thank you. So with all that being said, y'all stay safe out there, and I'll catch y'all next time on Flipping and Shipping.